So Quadri Stucky, I'm so glad for day back with Hunter for this Gullah Geechee takeover, boy.
You already know, Smith.
And we back. Then, okay then.
Gullah Geechee takeover.
Takeover for true.
2025, 25th anniversary of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Hunter children need to join we for Black History Month for the Gullah Geechee Black History Experience. Yes, Saturday, February the 15th in Chalktown, it going down at the Pure Theater from 12 to 3. Come on out. Admission free. Go to Eventbrite, get your ticket, and join the family for this year. You ain't want to miss them. The 4th annual Gullah Geechee Black History Experience.
And so look here, if Hunter children want some of that Gullah love from all of we, Hunter gonna have to be here where we be, because we be Gullah Geechee anointed people. So come join me right here in the Gullah Geechee Nation and get it more from we. This year, the Gullah Geechee takeover. Come join the family.